Good morning, dear friends. Welcome back and hope you're all doing good. Today I'm going to share a simple but delicious dip recipe with you. Have you ever tasted a carrot dip? Believe me, it is amazingly delicious. We really love it. You can enjoy it with some crackers or pita chips whenever you're hungry, or it makes a perfect sandwich spread also. You can spread it on a slice of bread and enjoy it for breakfast. Kids are also going to love it. So let's make it. Carrot dip, a very quick, easy and healthy appetizer for your parties. For this we'll require carrots. I have taken 2 carrots, peeled them and cut them into pieces. And we have 2 garlic cloves. Both will be cooked together first and then blended. Orange juice about 2 tablespoons. Olive oil about 2 tablespoons. Roasted cumin powder 1 teaspoon. Salt as required. Then we have ginger powder 1 teaspoon and paprika half teaspoon. You could also use Kashmiri chili powder instead. For reference, the list is shared in the description box also. First, put the carrots and garlic into a small pressure cooker. Add half cup of water. Just enough to cook the carrots. Close the lid. Cook for 3 whistles. Tiny little pressure cookers are very handy for things like this. Allow it to cool and open after the pressure is released. You can see we don't have any moisture left. Half cup was just perfect to cook the carrots. And little bit water that we'll be using for blending. Carrots are very well cooked, nice and soft. Now take a blender jar, transfer the carrots and garlic into it, along with the little bit of water that's left. Here we go. Now other ingredients: cumin powder, ginger powder, paprika, salt as needed. I'm adding 2 tiny spoons. About 2 tablespoons of orange juice and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Now all these will be blended into a smooth paste. Lovely. Look at the lovely color. So appetizing it looks, and perfect texture. Nice and creamy. Check the salt. You can adjust if required. Perfect and so tasty. Transfer it into a serving bowl. Such a healthy dip. You can serve it with crackers or pita chips. Such recipes are really handy when you are entertaining. Easy and healthy dip. Believe me, it's so tasty that my hubby doesn't like cooked carrots. Even he loved it. Though he eats raw carrots, but cooked carrots he doesn't. Now let's check out the taste. So yummy. You have to try it now. Thank you for watching, and check out these videos from the archives as well in case you have missed them. See you soon. Stay tuned.